If you are preparing for CLAT and you have exactly 6 months left, then this video is going to give you a complete roadmap because many students fail not due to lack of intelligence but due to lack of planning. 6 months is more than enough if you follow a structured strategy, stay consistent, and focus on smart preparation instead of random study. I'm going to divide these 6 months into three phases: foundation phase, strengthening phase, and mock and revision phase. And I will tell you exactly what to do in each phase, subject by subject. Let us begin with the first 2 months, which I call the foundation phase. During this phase, your goal is concept clarity and reading habit building. Every day, you must read a newspaper for at least 45 minutes, preferably English newspapers. The Hindu or Indian Express, focusing on editorials, legal news, constitutional matters, and international developments. Do not just read passively, make short notes of important events, Supreme Court judgments, government schemes, and international treaties. For legal reasoning, start practicing two passages daily. Focus on understanding principles and applying them logically. Do not rush for speed initially, focus on accuracy. For English, read one long editorial daily and practice at least one comprehension passage. Try to identify the central idea, tone, and inference. For logical reasoning, practice 10 to 15 critical reasoning questions daily, especially strengthen, weaken, and assumption based questions. For quantitative techniques, revise basic mathematics topics like percentages, ratio, averages, profit, and loss, and practice small data interpretation sets daily. During these 2 months, avoid full length mocks. Instead, take sectional tests once a week to check progress. At the end of month 2, you should be comfortable with basic concepts of all 5 subjects. Now, let us move to months 3 and 4, which I call the strengthening phase. This is where serious preparation begins. Continue newspaper reading daily because consistency in GK is non negotiable. Start revising monthly current affairs compilations regularly. In legal reasoning, increase practice to 3 to 4 passages daily and begin timing yourself. Aim to solve each passage within 8 to 9 minutes. Start analyzing wrong answers deeply. Ask yourself whether the mistake happened due to misreading the principle or overthinking. In English, focus on improving reading speed. Try to complete one comprehension passage within 7 to 8 minutes, including answering questions. In logical reasoning, start mixed practice sets that combine different types of arguments. Learn to quickly identify conclusion and premises. For quantitative techniques, solve at least 3 to 4 full data interpretation sets weekly under timed conditions. Now, during these 2 months, you must start taking one full length mock test every 2 weeks. Now, after each mock, spend at least 3-4 hours analyzing mistakes. Analysis is more important than the mock itself. Identify weak sections and adjust preparation accordingly. Finally, we come to the last 2 months, which is the mock and revision phase. This phase determines your final rank. Now you must take at least 2 full-length mocks per week. Treat every mock like the actual exam. Sit in a quiet place, follow exact timing, and avoid distractions. After every mock, analyze in 3 steps. First, identify silly mistakes. Second, identify conceptual mistakes. Third, identify time management issues. Revise GK weekly and focus only on the last 12 months of current affairs. Do not try to study new topics in the last month. Focus on revision and accuracy. In legal reasoning, refine your approach. Learn to skip difficult passages initially and return later. In English, avoid overanalyzing options. Trust your comprehension. In logical reasoning, do not assume beyond the passage. In quantitative techniques, attempt only questions you are confident about because accuracy matters more than attempts. Now let us talk about daily routine. Ideally, study 5 to 6 focused hours daily if you are a dropper and 3 to 4 hours if you are managing school or college. Divide your day into 2 sessions. Morning session for reading based subjects like GK and English, and evening session for practice based subjects like legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and quant. Take short breaks every 90 minutes to maintain concentration. Sleep at least 7 hours because mental sharpness is crucial for CLAT. Another important element is mock strategy. Many students panic during mocks and attempt all questions. That is wrong. Your target should be around 85 to 95 attempts with high accuracy rather than 120 blind attempts. Develop your own order of attempting sections. Some students prefer starting with legal reasoning, others start with GK for confidence. Experiment during practice and finalize your strategy 1 month before the exam. Let us also discuss common mistakes during 6-month preparation. First, inconsistency in GK. Second, ignoring quantitative techniques completely. Third, taking mocks but not analyzing them. Fourth, comparing your mock scores with others daily and losing confidence. Remember, improvement matters more than comparison. Track your own progress week by week. Now, motivation is important. 6 months preparation requires discipline. There will be days when you feel tired or demotivated. On those days, revise instead of learning new topics. Keep reminding yourself that CLAT is not about intelligence but about strategy and consistency. Even an average student can crack top NLUs with structured preparation. In the final 2 weeks before the exam, reduce study hours slightly and focus on light revision. Avoid burnout. Revise your current affairs notes, important legal principles, logical reasoning patterns, and math formulas. Do not take a mock one day before the exam. Stay calm, confident, and focused. If you follow this 6 month structured plan sincerely, you can significantly improve your CLAT score. Success in CLAT is not magic, it is systematic preparation combined with smart analysis and consistency. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and believe in your preparation journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.